Well, here it is. This is what we've got going on today. It's snowing a little out here. I'm an old man with a cam, and I finally did it. I ordered myself an electric e-bike. It's the XP 3.0. So I've got it here. We're going to assemble it and see what we got. It comes in a nice box here. I mean, that's really looking pretty good, considering it was shipped all the way from Arizona. They did a great job on that. And I've got a couple of extra things in that. Well, I've got all my tools set up. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it and then put it together. Cool. Lock. They give you an Allen wrench too to help you. The keys. They do pack it pretty good. Okay, the charger. Well, I got the upgrade on the seat. So it has the spring built into it, so it's cushioned there. And you have the dual springs on the back here, which are good. Here's something that's a little confusing. There's two sets of keys. They certainly do give you enough warnings on what to do. That's a pretty hefty bike. I mean, just moving it around in here. Well, there it is. I just have to read all the warning labels on there. And it's put together. That's pretty good. Okay, here we are back again. It's still snowing a little out here, but there she is. That's my new ride. Comes together, comes in a little box, unfolds, which is nice. The reason I bought it is it's portable. I can take that and fit it inside my vehicle. In the back, go out to the parkway, do a little cruising. So I'm going to take all these warning signs and take a look at them, see what they say, make sure everything is okay. We'll see in a little bit. Okay, we got it all put together, everything's cleaned up. It took me about, maybe half an hour to put it together. Beautiful. We're going to have some fun on this summer. Unfortunately, I got it a little too late in the season. Maybe we'll have a couple of warm days. All I have to do is charge the battery, pump up the tires, and I'm all set to go. My new ride. Okay, it is a beautiful day. How are you doing? Yeah, I look kind of funny, but we got her all set to go. Maiden run. We'll see what she does. I'm kind of anxious to see how we'll do this. Battery's all charged, tires are inflated. We got 32 pounds in each one, actually 34. Wasn't sure if I'd lose some air coming out. So let's see if the display lights up for us. Okay, so I made sure the key's turned on. There is one of the cables, they ship it without it being connected. You have to connect that. Make sure you connect that. And then we power it up. Pedal assist is 0 miles. Battery looks good. We'll see. Okay, we're gonna take off for a little bit. Riding along this back section, I headed up to pedal assist 2, and I figured, well, let me try it, and I twisted the throttle. I got up to 17-18 miles an hour. Now, for the first time on a bike, that was a little intimidating for me, so I kind of backed off. The other thing you're going to notice is the picture-in-picture in the upper right-hand corner. I didn't want to use my good camera, so I went out and I bought a couple of inexpensive, they were like 16 bucks, and I mounted it on the handlebar. You can kind of see that in a couple of shots. It wasn't quite steady, but it gives you an idea and a perspective of where I'm traveling. So maybe I'll figure out how to use those in upcoming videos. I noticed that if you're coasting, the motor doesn't kick in, so there is no pedal assist. Once you give it a rotation or two, and you can set that in the settings, I saw that, it kicks right in and helps you again. And you better be aware of it. I did say that at the end of the video here, but boy, I'll tell you what, it does kick in. I will in future videos give an update on how I feel about the bike itself. From this small ride, I'm going to love it. I'll give you some specs and I'll tell you how I feel about it and how the riding went. So stay tuned. Is the light on up front? Well, I'd say that was a pretty successful ride. I'll tell you what, when that pedal assist kicks in, it kicks in. You better be aware of that. You can't go around the corner and pedal halfway and have it still on. Okay, we're gonna have fun. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you for joining me. Glad to have you along. You have a great day.